Oh, my regular look at Leo. What is that smell? Are you cooking garbage?
No, Hugo. It is a traditional vegetable soup. It is my grandmother's recipe.
A grandmother's recipe? Ha! That is for poor people. Look at my workstation. You cannot win the Master Junior trophy with cheap carrots and an old pot. You should just go home.
Cooking is not about expensive tools, Hugo. It is about love and practice. I am staying. Fine. But don't cry when the judge spits your food into the trash.
Welcome, Chef Olivia. Today, I made a luxury gold truffle soup using the best technology money can buy.
It is very shiny, Hugo, but it tastes like nothing. It is cold and has no soul.
What? That is impossible! The ingredients cost a fortune!
Wow, this is incredible. It is warm, rich, and full of flavor. Leo, this soup is absolutely perfect. You are the winner of— No! This is a mistake! He cheated! He must have used a secret, illegal chemical. A poor boy with an old pot cannot beat my digital blender. I did not cheat, Hugo. I just tasted it and balanced the spices properly. Leo, my dear boy, why are you sad? You won the big trophy.
Hugo was very angry, Mom. He told everyone I cheated. He said his rich parents are going to call the school principal to take my trophy away because my family is poor.
Look at me, Leo. Hugo can buy expensive truffles, but he cannot buy a good tongue or a passionate heart. You won that trophy with your own hard work and skill. Nobody can take your talent away from you. Tomorrow, go back to school with your head held high. My dad called the school principal last night. Leo is going to lose everything now. Good morning, students. Yesterday, I tasted a dish that reminded me why I became a chef. It was a simple vegetable soup made by Leo. Some people think that expensive tools make a great chef. That is wrong. A great chef needs dedication, passion, and true skill. Leo, please come to the stage. Leo, I have a special gift for you.
Oh my goodness! Are these for me?
Yes, Leo, you earned them. And that is not all. I am opening a brand new 5-star restaurant in the city next month. I want to hire your mother as the manager, and I want to give you a full scholarship to the best culinary academy in Paris.
Wait, what?
Thank you so much, Chef Olivia. This is a dream come true. I was so wrong. My expensive blender did not matter. My arrogance was the problem.
Do you think hard work and love are more important than money? Write your answer in the comments below.